Urbanization in India is increasing at a very rapid pace. Due to this high speed of urbanization, we are going to face issues of congestion, pollution and urban sprawl. Urban sprawl necessarily requires large number of infrastructure expenditure due to sheer size of this sprawl in horizontal direction. We have to plan our urban centers in a way so that requirement of infrastructure is reduced. That means we have to integrate land use planning as well as transport in an integrated way. This means that we have to shift from concept of private vehicle uses to public transport. While Delhi has its own transport challenges, but the issues of transport planning in a city or in a metropolitan region are little different. We cannot see Delhi in isolation. It has to be seen with NCR. And that is why we have to search for new solutions. Internationally, it has been observed that if there is a high speed commuter system available across a metropolitan region, that decentralizes the economic activity within the region, and that helps in controlling the urban sprawl. That is why central government and concerned state governments have decided to implement RRTS project in National Capital Region. NCRTC is working on implementation of the first regional rapid transit system in National Capital Region. It is a high speed system with electrified trains having stations about 5 to 10 kilometers and linking various modes of transport, thereby achieving the dream of multimodal transport asked by Honorable Prime Minister during his speech on this 15th of August from the Red Fort. This is going to provide a network where commuters can move seamlessly from one mode of transport to another. The decentralization of economic activity due to implementation and operation of RRTS will create not only direct employment but new activities creating indirect employment and new centers of economic activity all around each one of the RRTS stations.